In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable push notifications on MetaTrader 5. If you want to stay updated on all your trading activities and never miss an important alert, then enabling push notifications is the way to go. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have set up this powerful feature that ensures you receive timely updates directly on your mobile device. Let's dive right into it. To begin, you'll want to open your MetaTrader 5 platform. Once you have it open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll see several options. You're going to click on Tools, which is typically located right after File and View. When you click on Tools, you'll see a drop-down list appear. From this list, go ahead and choose Options. This step is crucial as it will open the settings window where you can customize your MetaTrader experience. Now that you've opened the Options window, you'll be presented with several tabs. Each tab contains different settings you can adjust according to your needs. However, our focus today is on push notifications. So, locate and select the Notifications tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the Notifications tab will bring you to a new screen with a few simple options. Among these options, you'll notice a checkbox which says Enable Push Notifications. You need to check this box in order to activate the feature. This is what allows MetaTrader 5 to send notifications directly to your mobile device, keeping you connected and informed about your trades and market movements no matter where you are. Once you've checked the box for push notifications, it's important to ensure that your MetaQuotes ID is correctly entered in the required field. This ID is necessary for linking your mobile device with the MetaTrader 5 terminal, ensuring you receive alerts. To find your MetaQuotes ID, open the MetaTrader app on your mobile device, go to Settings, and you'll see it listed there. Enter this number accurately into the MetaQuotes ID section of your desktop platform. Before wrapping up, double check that the settings are correct. It's a good idea to test a push notification to make sure everything is working as expected. You can send a test message from the same Notifications tab to ensure that your device receives it properly. This step ensures you won't miss out on any essential trading update once you've started using the service. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled push notifications on MetaTrader 5. This will greatly enhance your trading experience, providing you the ability to stay on top of important events as they happen without constantly being hooked onto your trading terminal. Thanks for tuning in to today's tutorial, and I hope this has been helpful. If you have further questions or need more details on using MetaTrader 5, stay tuned for more guides and tips. Happy trading!